All right, Al and Justin, me and Phil are down here talking deer. All right, just closed up the blind. Time for a refreshment. Prim, are you gonna defend us?
Ready?
What are you doing? And it's a really good location. All right, today's a work day with Phil. All right, man, we might be breaking Phil's truck in.
Yeah, I didn't figure that into the bill.
So both Phil and I came from the exact same place where all of you guys came from. When we started this, we started with hand tools, and then we worked up to an ATV, and then we worked up. Pretty. All right, we're offloaded. We're gonna go get a machine with forks, get it on there, and make final adjustments. Nice work, man. Well, we shouldn't congratulate ourselves yet till we're actually done.
Yeah.
Also, during today's video, I'm going to intersperse some trail cam videos and pictures that came from this exact spot over the last few years. I have a lock-on stand that I can no longer hunt, which is why I'm adding a new tower blind. So all of the trail cam stuff is literally from right in front of this blind.
Just a little bit, that far corner. Now I'll let you push it. Leave yourself a lip on the back. We can always move it again. Come out and check it out.
What do you think?
I think another successful Hughes blind. That's what I think. Got a little more room in that one?
Yep. All right, we got four bolts in each corner. So that when it blows away, the whole thing's going to go, and not just the top, the whole stand and everything.
All or none. We start all over again fresh.
All right, we had to cheat a little and use the forks. Get them snugged all the way down. Look at that, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Now for carpet and chair, we'll be ready. I gotta go up there and close that door. And the window. Need to trim a little this way, but this is gonna be awesome. All right, just closed up the blind. Time for a refreshment. Looking for the missing chair. When we left that quadrant of the property, Phil had my old used office chair on the back of his buggy. And then when he showed up at the barn, he's like, "Did you take the chair off?" I'm like, "No." So, we're on a chair hunt.
Garage sailing.
Chair picking. Love this natural regen that's coming up. It's like 3 years worth now. Buddy, did we wear you out today out in the field? Riddick, did we wear you out? Actually, I wouldn't mind laying on the floor like that right now. But I'd fall asleep, so I better not.
Yeah, he tuckered out. Big day.
Prim, Riddick's downstairs laying on the floor. He's in your house. Are you going to defend us? Are you going to defend your territory? Well, Phil, I guess Riddick can continue enjoying the cool concrete down there. Seriously, kitty. All right, Al and Justin, me and Phil are down here talking deer. We did some land management today. We put up a new tower blind. What do you say, Phil?
About what? How hard you work me? Like a Hebrew slave?
Oh, well, hey. All right. This will give you guys some motivation, man. It's looking
Come on,
good.
boys.
Come on, boys.
We've got a lot of whiskey to drink and some deer to kill.
That's right. Rick, what are you doing?
Rick,
What are you doing?
fix your ear.